Module 3 Intermediate Document Skills. Welcome back to Mastering Microsoft Word from Total Beginner to Advanced User. In Module 2, we learned about typing, editing, and basic formatting. But today, we will learn how to interact with Word in a very new way. Get ready because Module 3 is where your documents start looking professional. We are going to learn how to use styles, headers and footers, tables, add images. That is, all the tools that make your work neat, organized and eye-catching. If you are eager and excited as I am, let's jump in. Section 3.1 Working with Styles. And in this session, we are going to learn how to apply built-in styles and create and modify custom styles. We will start by learning how to use styles. Remember that styles are like the secret sauce of Microsoft Word. Most beginners manually bold headings, increase font size, set colors and others, but professionals click once and boom, everything formats perfectly. That's the power of styles. To apply the built-in style, highlight your text or place your cursor on any part of the text. Then go to the Home tab and let's look for styles in the group. Click on any style that you want, like Heading 1, Heading 2, Heading 3. You can click on this drop-down arrow to choose the formatting type that you want from the list of styles that Word gives you. Knowing how to use these formatting styles in your document creation makes formatting a zero stress for you. Let's now learn how to create and modify our own styles and add it to the style group to allow us to use it to format any line the way we want. We can do this when the Styles dialog box is open to show the Styles pane. Click on New Style or Create Style. The difference that you might come across largely depends on the version of Microsoft Word that you are using. I'm using Microsoft Office 16. After that, click on Modify and clear the name field to add your own. Let me give it the name My Headings. Here, you also have the option of changing the font type, the font style, and the font size. You can also apply any of the formatting styles that we have learned in Module 1 and 2. Additionally, you can choose to add your own style to every page in the document, or select only the current document. When you are satisfied with what you have done, then you can click on OK to exit the dialog box. Now you can apply the style that you just created anytime to your document with one click, and that is a sign of professionalism. Finally, on styles, you can remove or clear any custom style that you have created from the list by clicking on this rectangular box with arrow pointing downwards to open the style pane. Hover your mouse over the formatted style and click on the combo box that gives you options to delete or modify your style. Click on Remove or Delete Style and confirm your action by clicking Yes to delete your formatted style from the group. 3.2 Headers, Footers and Page Numbers. In this session, we are going to learn how to insert and edit headers and footers. We will also learn how to add automatic page numbers to our document. Sometimes you might come across nice looking documents with page numbers at the bottom or company logos at the top of every page. Headers, footers, and page numbers was used in creating such documents. For you to be able to create the same type of document, go to the Insert tab, click on it and look for the headers and footer group. Under it, click on Headers to add headers to your document. Word gives you nice header template. Pick on anyone and then type in your text, maybe your name, document title or brand logo, and this will be applied to your document. You can always click Remove Header at the end of the dialog box to remove the header. You can apply the same technique to add footer to your document. Pick on any one of the footers and type your text in it for it to appear on every page in your document. You can always close your header and footer when you click on this icon. Also, you can add page numbers to your document. Click on Page Number and select the formatting type that you want. You can let your page appear on top, at the bottom of the page, on the page margin, or the current position. Let me select at the bottom of the page. Click on number 2 to apply the numbering to my pages. Now you see we have page 1 and when we scroll down you see page 2. Word can add as many numbers as possible based on the length of your document. Working with lists. In this session, we are going to learn how to use multi-level lists when creating our document. We will also learn the different numbering formats in Word, and we will also learn how to create custom bullet styles. Lists help organize ideas, but Word can do more than just simple bullets. To create a multi-level list, let's go back to the Home tab once again and look in the paragraph 2. Let's click on the multi-level list icon. Choose a layout that you want. Press Tab to move to the sub-level. Press Shift and Tab to move back up. Knowing how to use multi-level lists is perfect for outlining reports, books, or school notes. Let's also look at the numbering format that comes with Microsoft Word. Whether you want to use Roman numerals or any numbering style, you can choose from the list and apply it to your document. Still on the Home tab, let's go to Define New Number Format. Click on it, and this gives options that allow us to select any numbering style, the font type, and the number format and alignment that we want. When you are satisfied, just click on OK and begin applying the numbering format that you have selected. Right beside the numbering format, you can also click on bullet styles to apply custom bullet styles to your document. You can even customize bullets by clicking on Define New Bullet. Here, you can choose a symbol, emoji, or even pictures to be used as bullets in your document. Yes, you can literally use tiny images as bullets. But this, however, requires you to have internet access before you can use these images in your document. Section 3.4 Tables. In this session, we are going to learn how to create tables. We will learn how to format tables, that is, applying borders, shadings, and alignment to it. Then finally, we will learn how to sort data in tables. To create tables, go to the Insert tab and click on Tables. Drag across the grid to select the number of tables that you would want in your document. Automatically, Word will create the table for you. If you want thicker border or shadings, or even if you want your columns to be centered, use the Table Design and Layout tabs. Here you can add borders. You can also add background colors, and also you can align the text left, right, and center. You can also merge cells here or change the text direction. Feel free to explore further by learning how to use most of these table tools, and your table will go from plain table to polished one. Let me know in the comment section if you'd want me to create a tutorial on Microsoft Table Design and Layout. When we go back to the Insert Table tab, we also have the option of drawing our table manually, or inserting Excel spreadsheet table in our document, or we can insert quick tables which displays date, month, and a host of other formatted tables that you can choose from. When we go back to the table layout, we have the option of sorting from ascending to descending order, or from descending to ascending order. Images and media. In this session, we will learn how to insert images and wrap text around our images. We will also learn how to use shapes, icons, and SmartArt in our document creation. Alright, let's make things visual by learning how to insert images and media in our document. To insert an image, go to the Insert tab and then to Pictures. You can pick from your device, stock images, or from an online source. Now we have inserted an image into our document. When you try to move the image around, it is difficult. You can only move the image from left to right by placing your cursor either before or after the image and pressing on it. However, Word comes with special tools that allows you to move your image around, and that is known as wrapping text around images. To do this, let's right-click on the image and wrap text. Word gives a variety of ways that you can use to wrap text around your image. The first one is saying the image should be in line with the text. That is why we can only move the image from left to right. When we choose the second option, which says square, watch how the image and text behaves when this option is selected. You can also select other options and see which one best suits your document creation needs. You can also insert diagrams in your document. Let's click on Insert and click on Shapes. Here, you can insert either a shape, icon or SmartArt in your document. Let me choose a callout and insert it. You've just unlocked the tools that separate basic document from clean, professional and structured document. In the next module, we will go even deeper with advanced layout and designs. But before you go, you know what time it is. It's assignment time. So let's take our practical assignment on Module 3. Module 3 Practical Assignment. Complete the tasks below to reinforce your skills. Create a short one-page document with a title using title star, 3 section heading using heading 1, and then use subheading using heading 2. Also create a one custom style named My Heading with blue color, bold, and 16-point font size. Add a spacing of 12 points to it. Then apply at least 2 headings. Assignment 2. Applying headers, footers, and page numbers. Add a header that contains your name. Add a footer with the document title, and then insert page numbers at the bottom center. Assignment 3. Create a multi-level list with at least 3 levels. Create a custom bullet using a symbol or emoji. Assignment 4. Tables. Create a table with 4 columns and 5 rows. Add shadings to the header row. Center align all text and also apply sorting to one column alphabetically. Assignment 5. Images and media. Insert one image. Wrap text around the image using square or tight. And then insert one SmartArt graphic, any style you want. When you finish, your document should look clean, organized, and visually appealing just like a pro. Drop a comment if you want feedback or help, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so yet. See you in the next module. Bye for now.